Hi and welcome to the channel. Now if you are a regular viewer here, you will know that from time to time we get the wonderful opportunity to share the experience of other people going through the journey of self-discovery, and today I'm joined by Penny and Savannah, who are popping out to Chichester to have a lovely day out shopping and admiring all the wonderful scenes in that beautiful city. So it's special for me because I'm behind the camera and capturing what I consider to be some very special moments for them. So I hope you enjoy the video as much as we did making the video for them and enjoying the total experience. So please feel free to join us. To the very end on behalf of myself and Penny and Savannah there, who I think made fantastic effort, and it's a lovely day out with them both. And I hope you enjoyed the video as well. So please do remember to like, share, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe. So until the next time, please stay safe, stay gorgeous, and bye-bye.